Fogging occurs when warm, humid air becomes trapped around the camera. As the housing descends into cooler water, that moisture condenses on the port, softening the image and obscuring the world below. Here are 4 simple steps to keep your housing from fogging. 1. Make sure the housing is dry. Use a clean, lint-free cloth to remove any traces of moisture. 2. Use fresh desiccant. These can be easily obtained online. 3. Place your camera in the housing in an air-conditioned environment. Air-conditioned air is naturally dehumidified. After you seal your camera in the housing, allow it to sit for a few minutes so the desiccant can absorb any moisture from the air inside the housing. 4. Keep your camera out of the direct sunlight. Keeping it in a bucket of cold water in the shade is a good strategy. Hit like and subscribe to keep exploring Monterey's underwater world with me. And don't forget to turn on the bell so you don't miss the next one. See you soon.